Moving on. Hello guys, this is Yundel again. Today I want to share with you moving on. Have you ever think it guys how to move on from difficult times? Guys, life is amazing, but remember we must do the work and effort to move on from the difficulty to a lighter day. So guys, I want to share with you today what I have experienced in life. This is about my life. This is about self-development. Yes, I read the book. Yes, it is not easy, but life must goes on despite of the difficulties, despite of the problems we are facing every day. It is not easy, it's hard, but we must do the work. Guys, at my age, 30 years in Norway, I experienced a lot of pain. There's happiness, and pain goes along the way, side by side. But when those moments of pain come, it's not easy to handle it. But I face and pull myself together that I must move on despite of this difficulty. Because of my children, how can I take care of my children if I will just keep stacking in those difficult times? Embrace the moment of pain. Accept it. It's not easy to accept, guys, when you are at the moment of sorrows, depression, anxiety, and the heartbeat is unbearable. The sleepless crying nights, it's so difficult to move on. But still, guys, it says here in the book, we must live at the moment. That was my moment. I must accept it. I must embrace it. They say in the book, we must embrace it with gladness. It's not easy, guys, to embrace those difficulties in gladness. But I am lucky enough. I am here in Norway. We are provided with tools, psychologists, and therapists to move on, to talk about our problems, to find the way to a better life or to a better situation of your life. So guys, it's not easy. I know it's not easy. It was hard, but what choice do I have? Guys, maybe some of you thinking, how can we move on after the storm comes in our lives? It's not easy. I know it's not easy. I was frustrated at that time. But I am lucky enough and very grateful enough that I have Norwegian friends who stand by my side. From in good times and in bad times, they were there for me, to lead me, to guide me. What is my next step after my husband took suicide? He took suicide at the age of 46 years old. He had cancer, but he was not able to die with cancer. He took suicide. That was hard and it's not easy to move on. But again, I must pull myself together. I must do the work. I must do the effort. With the help of the therapist, with the help of my Norwegian friend, I must go on. Many times I feel frustrated. Many times I don't like to be alone in my house. I'm lucky enough that I have this Norwegian friend who took care of my child. I drive. I can drive 15 hours, guys, driving up to the mountain to shout out my pain, to shout out my disappointment, to shout out the pain and the heartbeat within me, which is unbearable. It was hard. But life must goes on. I did that, guys, because I was so frustrated. I told myself, I don't deserve this. I am a good person. I am a good wife. I did my best to be a good wife. But still, I feel at that moment, it was not good enough. Guys, Yes, I shouted it out. Yes, I voiced it out. Yes, I talked with my therapist about my situation because the pain is unbearable. The anxiety, the depression is killing me at that time. So guys, how to move on? Sometimes we must pull ourselves together that this is me. I can do this. But still, I have to advise you, the power of prayer, the power of meditation, you can practice that, guys, because God is there for us all the time. He is our holding point in times of our difficulties. Yes, as what I told you to be positive, life is amazing, but still we must do the effort, but still we must do the work. It is not easy taking that first step, but I am lucky enough, I have my children, I have my child to think that I must move on because I have a child to take care. Who will take care of my child if I just falling my down deep into depression, deep into anxiety, deep on those painful moments of my life? Yes, I experienced sleepless crying nights. But guys, we can turn our crying nights and depression nights into triumph by changing our mental attitudes. It's about mindset. We must think that life is amazing after the storm in life. The storm always comes now and then. We must face it. We must embrace it. I know it's not easy to embrace, but find the right tools to solve that difficulties in that certain moment. Yes, I am lucky. I am surrounded with therapists at that moment. Talk and talk and talk. Take that out. The depression within you, the anxiety from you, because it was scary. I don't know how to move on because it was scary. I am alone in Norway without a family, but still I am grateful that God gave me. It was a God-given dream that I have a Norwegian family who helped me at that moment. Still, they are my friends this time also. They are there for me all the time. I'm grateful for that, which I use. Well, he said, I am not blessed with a husband, but I am blessed with wonderful, wonderful, amazing Norwegian friends here in Norway. So much things to be grateful for. So guys, when you are facing difficulties in your life, please find somebody who can talk to, who you can trust to. Express it out. If you don't have the opportunity to go to the therapist, to go to the psychologist, find a friend. Find a family. You can confide your worries, the scary moments, your problems, and heartaches. Share it to someone you can trust it. Don't hide it in yourself, because the heartbeat that in my time that was killing me, the heartbeat is up to here. It's really killing me. So I need the help. It is normal, guys, to ask help when we needed one. There is always help if you are going to ask for help. You know who you are. You know who your friends you can trust with. Confide and talk with them. But you must be careful also of choosing a friend who you can tell your worries and problems and anxiety in your life. Guys, this is not easy, but we must take the first step to move on from that difficulty moments. It was scary in my time. It was scary because I don't have a family here. But what choice do I have? I must do the work. Express it out. Feel the moment. Accept, embrace at the moment. Feel it and let it go. It's not easy to let it go what had happened, but we must learn. What had happened is happened already and it cannot be undone. It took me years to move on, but I am now here feeling good with myself after those storms in my life, because I always believe the sun will shine, the rainbow will come after those cloudy, rainy, stormy nights. So guys, I am here just sharing with you my life experience, just sharing with you how to move on. I am not a therapist, I am not a teacher, I am not an advisor. What I am reading, what I have experienced with my life, I am sharing it with you because you are not alone, and all of us must experience a lot of things in life. From one thing to another, we experience in our life. There is always something going on. But whatsoever it is, the circumstances might be hard, but we must keep on moving on. It was hard, I shouted it out. I went to the mountain and shouted out my frustration. I was frustrated at the time, but I must keep on moving on. It was not easy, but taking one step at a time, thinking that my later days will be much better than my former days. It is what it is. It is a part of our life journey. Guys, if you like my message, please hit the like button and the subscribe button so you are notified every time I have a video to share with you every day. I'm just sharing about my life journey, how I did move on from those difficulties in my life. Guys, remember, you are good enough. You are valuable enough. Because nobody can do that to yourself. You are the only one who can do that to yourself. It's not easy to embrace the moment of sadness. I know it's not easy to face the frustration. I know it's not easy to face that crying and sleepless nights. But still think of yourself, think of your children, think of your family, that they love you. Someone out there love you anyway, even you are alone at the moment. God love us. Remember, God is love. He is there for us all the time. Guys, this is my life, but I must keep on moving on. That was happened before, and I hope it will not be happen in the future. Guys, again, this is Yundel speaking. This is my life journey, and I hope you learn something from my message every day. Guys, I love you all, and I thank you for watching me every day. Bye-bye.